From stress to savings, a friendly chat.
Hey, you look a little stressed. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to review my spending from last month and set a budget for this one. It's not going well. Prices are so high these days, and my car broke down last week.
That's tough. I'm sorry you're dealing with all that. Maybe I can help with the car. My uncle runs an auto shop, and he's always fair with his prices.
Really? That would be amazing. Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem. And about your phone, I think I might be able to help there too.
Oh, how's that?
The store nearby is having a sale. I thought I could check it out and maybe grab something for us, could save a bit of money.
That's really thoughtful of you. Do you know if they have any deals on recently launched models?
I'm not sure, but let's ask. Excuse me, do you have any special offers on newly launched phones?
Yes, of course. Please come with me, we have a section with all the latest models on discount.
Great, thanks. Jacob, is there anything in particular you're interested in?
Let me see. Could you show me that one over there?
Certainly. Here it is.
Oh, nice. Can I take a closer look?
Of course.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks good. How much does it cost?
The regular price is $875, but with the 5% discount, it comes to $831.25.
That's a pretty good deal. Please pack it up. I'll take it.
Sure, I'll get it ready for you. Would you like to add a case or screen protector? They're also on sale today.
Oh, that's helpful. Yes, I'll take a case as well.
Smart choice, better to protect it from the start.
Thanks again, Tristan. You really saved me some stress today.
Anytime, man. That's what friends are for.
Dinner plans at the new Italian restaurant.
Have you heard about the new Italian restaurant that just opened downtown?
Yes, I read about it online. Everyone's talking about it. The pasta looks incredible, I'm really excited to try it. Do you know what else they serve?
The menu looks fantastic. They've got wood-fired pizzas, fresh seafood, and even homemade desserts. The pizza is baked in a traditional oven, so it has that smoky flavor.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I love that special taste from a wood-fired oven. Do you know when the restaurant officially opens?
It's opening this Friday evening. I think we should book a table in advance, it's going to be crowded.
You're right. New places are always busy at first. Could you call and make a reservation for us?
Of course. What time should I tell them?
How about 7 p.m.? That way we can enjoy a relaxed dinner without being too late.
Perfect. I'll call them today and confirm. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. I can't wait to try the pasta and maybe share a pizza.
Great idea. And we should definitely save room for dessert. I heard their tiramisu is excellent.
Oh, tiramisu is my favorite. This is going to be such a fun evening.
Absolutely. Dinner, good food, and good company, what more could we ask for?